Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. Well, I think today is probably going to be a slow day, a bit like yesterday. But we'll see, because they're obviously doctoring these gates to see. So yeah, we'll whip down and have a quick look, and we'll see how they're getting on. I might try and nip out later and go and have a little scout round, or maybe try and clear some of the brush down by that pond area, so it makes it a bit more metal detector friendly, because I might have a go at that in the next couple of days, but we'll see. So I've had to have a really deep clean of the pool today. The black snow, I'll tell you what, they are just burning every single field possible around us at the moment. It is an absolute nightmare. Even though the government have turned around and sort of said to them, don't do it, blah, blah, blah. They just don't seem to care. I mean, it comes with quite big fines now regarding, burning the sugar cane and stuff. So I don't know why they're still continuing to do it. But, one of them things. But, yeah. Right, enough of that. Let's go down and have a quick look down the bottom here, see what's going on. And yeah. I'll just get through the gate as usual. Let's go have a look. Up. That's their first time down here today. So yeah, a little concrete base going in over here. Oh, they've got the framework up for the toilet, which is pretty good. Get a roof on it. So yeah, I thought the little bits of metal they put in yesterday, I thought that would probably be for to support the framework. So yeah, you'll be able to get the roof on it and yeah, a bit more shade and keep it all a bit drier. So, but yeah, so yeah, they're busy reworking these bits and pieces. One of the subscribers did turn around and say about covering these over. They will be covered. They will have a cover on them. It's probably going to be more of a sort of PVC solid cover, because they'll protect from rain and sun. And that'll be on all of those, all the way around. So yeah, so it's coming on. There is a few different bits and pieces going on today. But obviously a little setback with these gates, but I think they'll work a lot better as they are, definitely. Be a lot easier for Tam, so that's the main thing. So yeah, right then, we'll leave them to it, and I will pop back down later. It's probably going to be a shorter vlog again, this one today, because it is got that sort of stage where it's not gonna move too quick at the moment. They did go down to Global House. Tam was gonna go, but the boss's wife said she'd quite happily go, so saved us a trip. And she's ordered most of the electric stuff, and we're going to have like ceiling fans, 360-degree rotating ceiling fans in there, just to get a bit of air movement for when we got customers and stuff. So yeah, that's it for now. I will pop back to you later. Catch you in a bit. Alright guys, afternoon, so I thought we'll pop down and have a look and see how they're getting on. Like I said, it's they're just sort of redoing a lot of the stuff that was cocked up the other day, and obviously we've changed it, so they're re-altering that, and then they'll get more back onto the main stuff, I expect. But let's go and have a quick look, see how they're getting on. Somebody's selling something. Turn around. So they're getting the corners ready to put a render coat up on the wall there. They're cracking on with getting a few more of the lockable bifolding doors on. So it looks like they've got most of the stuff sorted now for that. Sorry about whoever selling some. I don't know what he's selling. I'm not sure. So let's go and have a look. It's like fish or something. Vegetables, fruit. Yeah. So now it's all coming on, guys. We've got a few other bits and pieces. Got the strip lights and all come in. And a couple of fans which will be going up in here. They're like a 360 rotation, so yeah, a couple of sockets, bits and pieces. Took the leg off a donkey in that truck. So yeah, so it's slowly and surely getting there. They've obviously done this little bit of concrete in here as well, so that's all sorted now. And yeah, I'll find out exactly exactly what this is, because I'm not 100% sure. Obviously it's got waterways to it. I think this could be a sink. It might be a sink or something put in here. I'll have to find out. I don't even know what that is. I should do really, but that's a new one on me, so I'll have to ask Tam and see what that is. So anyway, I'll pop back down later once they have gone home for the evening, and I'll just sort of have a look and just see what they've got up to. I'll bring you guys along with me, so we'll pop back down in a couple hours. Okay guys, so as usual the builders have shut off for the evening, so let's pop down and have a quick look, see what they've been up to. I'll spin around. Dogs are enjoying a bit of a run now. So right then, so I've worked out, well, Tom's actually told me exactly what this is for. Now this will have a row of blocks around it. So I'm just bringing a tile down. It's going to have a row of blocks around it, and it's purely for washing out her big noodle pots. Tam will be doing boat noodles here. That's one of her specialities. She's got a very old secret recipe for boat noodles, and I must admit it works. They're fantastic. But because she won't be able to wash the big pots out in the sinks, she's got this area here where she can just sort of wash them out, and obviously it just go away. So that has cleared that up. So they've put a bit of pipe work in. That is going to be for a little basin. We're going to keep the basin outside, so customers can come, they can use the loo, wash their hands, or if they just want to come and just wash their hands, they don't even have to go in the toilet. Bit more pipe work in, ready for the sink. The sink is set in. Let's go in. These tiles, these are just left over from the house, and I said, well, we might as well use them. So we've just literally barely got enough to go all the way along the edge there. Tom's going to whip off and just grab some other tiles to put on here, just so it's easy to keep clean. They have done, by the looks of it, it looks to me like they have got most of these done now. The heights on these, they are going to be re-altered, so they're all level. This is just purely just to get them up and fixed. So that's one's done, that one's done. This is going to be locked across here, so this area will be locked here, so this will actually always be open. So as you know, if sort of early mornings people want to come, this side can be open, and obviously you've got the little serving hatch there. So they've got them, nearly got them all on. They've got this side on here, they've got this one sorted on here. They've just got to finish that one off, and they have got obviously the rest to finish off on these, which you know, they can sort that out. Got one bit of rendering done here. Lady was doing this earlier, actually. I'll tell you what, she's done a cracking job of that. So yeah, I mean, that's rendered that side. It will be rendered the other side, and obviously all the way around everything else is going to be rendered as well. And yeah, so a bit more progress today. It's certainly coming on, and yeah, we are getting there. So Tom is gonna whip off down to Global House and go down and see what's going on with getting some more tiles and stuff like that. So she's going to scoot down there in a minute, and yeah, so that is about it for today, guys. Sorry it's you know, not crazy progress, but you know, we've got the doors sort, you know, the lockable doors sorted now, so exactly how we're going to do it, so they're going to be able to crack on with those. And yeah, so moving on, back tomorrow, and another day and all that. So all that's left for me to say, guys, is take it easy, and we'll catch you again tomorrow. See you later. Bye bye.